Anyone you choose? Duck first. Alright guys, so we are invading the kitchen once more to look at two of the most popular dishes that is here, right? So we have the coconut fish and the duck in orange sauce.
Exactly.
Alright. So introduce yourself to the camera, make them know who you be.
Alright, I'm Malcolm, I'm the chef at Charela Inn Hotel.
Awesome.
And today we're going to prepare, as you said, the duck in orange sauce.
Alright.
So basically, we have a duck here cut in quarters.
Okay.
I'm going to season it with black pepper.
So duck is not really something that really grow in Jamaica like that.
You know, say, like, we have local duck, you know, but you know, really that, let's say, no, prevalent, or you know, really that, you know,
yeah.
Widely known that a person don't really eat duck here.
Okay.
But you know, say, since we are Charela, we are cut above the rest.
Exactly, straight up.
Right. So we can do what everybody else is doing.
Exactly. Alright, so we have some duck here. If you guys have ever had duck before, drop it in the comments and make me know.
Alright, basically I know we're going to render out the fat out of the duck.
So make them know what I mean by rendering the fat.
See, because duck it's
very fatty.
Have a tendency to be very fatty, and the fat necessarily really tastes that good all the time. So get out all of the fat and also give the duck some color.
Some color, okay.
So render out the hot pan. Very hot.
So have to be high heat.
Yeah, high heat. And you can use a neutral flavored oil like canola, vegetable, corn oil.
Okay.
And so we can take a high heat.
Okay. So here the question I'm going to ask all the chefs, because I hear that the other chefs then that I spoke to was not the guy. Yeah. You are the guy. You are the main man. Alright? How did you learn cooking? Was it like something that over years you grow and improve your skill, or?
You know, if you like remember the show Creative Cooking?
Yeah.
It's come on Sunday, yes man, every Sunday.
Do you watch it? If you're a Jamaican, drop in the comments, you know about creative cooking. Yeah.
So every Sunday we normally catch creative cooking.
Okay, so every Sunday you catch creative cooking.
And then from there, you know, you start getting love.
Yeah.
Start trying things at home.
Okay.
Start trying things at home, you know? And then find out, you like it.
Yeah.
You know, personal career in that. So, definitely. I left high school now, we went to be hard. One of the top premier institutions for culinary.
Yeah. Yeah, because we have some big chefs who come from the Heart Institute. Definitely a great institute for cooking. I like to say that, you know, because what most persons think is that once you go to culinary school, you automatically become the executive chef.
No.
Not like that, right? Exactly.
You can't leave the kitchen if you don't know all the aspects of the kitchen.
Yeah.
You understand? So you have to know where the dishes go.
Yeah.
How to start, you know, do that. You understand?
Yeah.
So we start from here until, you know, the last 10 years until we reach right here.
Wow, so 10 years under the belt.
10 years under the belt.
Okay. Not gonna lie, duck smells good already and the sauce not even make yet. Alright. So we know say right now with the pandemic things a little bit slower. Make them know like how many persons you normally would have.
Well, actually the most like most than like a full kitchen. Like
full kitchen, full dining room.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So full dining room. No. So sometimes 2, 4, I mean 5 tables to the land.
Okay. So rendering out all of the fat.
All of the fat. You don't want any of the fat. So in a sauce pot now, we start the sauce for the dough.
Okay.
We're gonna get some margarine.
Okay.
High heat. Also caramelize the onions now.
And that made the onion taste sweeter.
Yeah. Caramelize the onions. About this. Add some garlic. Fresh thyme.
Oh boy, I can smell the thyme. And the garlic, those are powerful smells, man.
It's good. Here, unlike most hotels, we use mainly natural seasoning.
So everything natural.
Yeah, natural.
Does that come from the farm that you guys have?
Yeah.
So you guys have a farm?
Yeah, has its own farm. So most of our ingredients come here. Get the orange juice.
Oh.
Fresh orange juice. Add sweet. Nice color.
Yeah, I see the color.
Yeah. Orange marmalade.
Ah, okay. That's gonna help you like thicken it up as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
And get that add sweetness.
Okay.
All this come down together now. Yeah, I'm going to let it reduce by about half.
Okay, so about half consistency. Alright, so a nice little reduction go happen there.
Yeah.
With a nice little sauce.
Salt and pepper taste.
I have a question, because we know as Jamaicans don't normally write down the recipes or whatever the case.
It was show unto your ancestors.
They tell us to stop. I'm glad that you're able to actually explain that, because a lot of persons think that behind in the kitchen, everybody using the spoon and table out everything. No. You catch it and you know what is what.
Yeah.
Alright.
With practice, you get better every day,
Yeah. So a dish like this, how long does it normally take to be prepared? I mean, on a busy night, how do you juggle everything?
Usually, when you go and do this now, we have it on the 5-course menu.
Okay.
So if like we have 100 persons in-house on the meal plan, we'll do say, we have 2 options for it.
Yeah.
Ground food, land food, and seafood.
Okay.
Yeah, so we kind of balance it.
And that's on the meal plan?
Yeah, on the meal plan.
Alright, I hope you guys can hear us very well. The meal plan, what I like about this hotel here is that you can have a meal plan. So if you don't want to come in and buy the food every day, you can do a 3-day meal plan minimum. And on those 3 days, you can have meals here, and you can venture out and go have some street food if you like, or so they give you a nice flexibility. Oh, look at that.
You can see the color and the dough. So all the fat is got this.
Yeah.
It's crisp.
Nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Like that.
And then on this down, we'll take it from the pan into the sauce.
Oh.
Drain the excess oil.
Okay.
Right in the sauce. Now we'll make it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes on medium low.
Okay, so it's simmering for 35 to 45 minutes on medium low.
Yeah. And the duck is thin.
Nice. So let's see, chef, what are you making over here?
I'm doing garlic bread.
Oh, I can smell the garlic already off of that butter.
Yeah.
Wow, nice garlic bread. I had it every night, of course, and it's really good.
Yeah, I know. I was a chef.
Oh, you were the chef? Love that.
All the time that you've been here.
Awesome. It's been really good. As I always tell people, I think you know how good a kitchen is, the starting point, which is the bread. If they start you off with a nice warm roll or something, they can expect big things.
What's the context?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this duck is almost done. Oh, look at that color, guys. That looks good. Smells good too. Guys, I am sweating back in here, let me tell you. The chef was asking if I want the extractor to be turned off so you guys can hear the video even better. But I mean, we don't want to get too hot in here. If you appreciate videos like these where we take it behind the scenes to show you where your food is coming from, to show you the hard work that these chefs actually put in to make their dishes exceptional dishes, drop a like on the video or just drop a comment and just say so excited, because for me this has been super exciting. Talking to the owners, and the owners are 100% Jamaicans, and that's something that I really appreciate. And they're trying to keep the business very environmentally friendly. They're trying to keep the culture alive. I could talk about this forever because we had a whole discussion about it, and let me tell you, man, I really appreciate what it is that they're doing for Jamaican cuisine, having a great fusion with the French cuisine as well, and just keeping, the good traditions of Jamaican tourism alive.
So basically, mashed potato, nice onions.
Okay, so mashed potato with your onions.
And some cream.
Yeah, what I love is that you guys use Anchor.
Yeah.
And that is like it's the high class of the cheese and milk products of Jamaica. So I know you guys are not playing with quality.
Cheese.
And you have some Anchor cheese as well. Cheddar cheese. Alright.
That's all.
Wow, guys, if you could smell, I'm wearing my mask. Listen, man, it smells so good.
Salt.
A little bit of salt.
Yeah. And some white pepper.
Why white pepper and not black?
Like you want to keep that.
The look?
Yeah, the purity of the mashed potato,
Okay, I got you. So
That's saying nothing wrong with black pepper in a bowl.
no, I mean, no, say nothing wrong with the black pepper. You understand? But I have both peppers at home, and I always wanted to know if there's a difference in the flavor. You know?
Well, the black one is more intense.
Yeah, it's a lot more intense. Alright, cool. Guys.
For presentation purposes.
Okay, presentation purposes. Cool. I just looking at this duck here and how beautifully glazed it is, man. Oh my gosh, look at that duck. Wow.
Creamy mashed potato.
creamy mashed potatoes. Alright, so here's a question. I know a lot of persons, this probably might be the first time they're seeing behind the scenes in a Jamaican kitchen. You understand? How is it that you work with other chefs at the same time, like 4 or 5 of you guys, the hustle and bustle, to make everything work?
Well, I don't know, normally everybody have their stations.
Okay.
Everybody has their own
Stations,
so
nice.
So you have one person over there like doing the fish orders, like
Okay.
pastas, the grilled fish, the fishing coconut.
And he's called the poissonnier or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then over this side you have the person who does all the salads.
The garmager?
Yes,
Mhm.
all the salads and stuff. And the pastry around here.
Uh-huh.
And then over this side you have the
Pâtissier?
appetizer.
Uh-huh.
Station over there. So
Okay.
all the escargot and stuff like
Oh.
that.
Alright, I'm going to ask you a big man question. No!
Yeah.
As a real Jamaican road boy, and you know, say we have the escargot as a chef. You like, I tried it the other day and I enjoyed it, you know. What you say about it now?
It's good. It's good.
Alright.
Once it's prepared well, it's good.
It's good. Alright.
Fabulous. But another persons are kind of skeptical about
Because
it. It's good.
Yeah.
Well, that's my opinion.
Alright, it's cool. You know what I find funny, chef?
Yeah.
I just see you press this something about 2 times and look how it's smooth.
Yes,
Alright, we can see now. And we know when you come on to food, plating is everything. Because how it's presented, very important.
Right.
Look at that. Okay.
This is some local steamed vegetables, so the callaloo, the carrots and cabbage.
Callaloo, carrots, cabbage, green
Yes.
peppers.
Yeah.
This is coming from the hotel's farm?
Yeah.
I love that. So this is coming from the hotel's farm. So that's how they have such a high level of food, because they produce a lot of what it is that we eat at this hotel, which I love. Jeez. What a sexy piece of meat. Look at that.
That's Jamaican's favorite part, leg and thigh.
Leg and thigh.
Every
That's,
Jamaican's favorite part.
drop it in the comments, guys, what your favorite part of the chicken is. For me, it's the leg and thigh. Chef, which is your part?
Leg and thigh.
Leg and thigh as always. So, leg and thigh fans, drop it in the comments. Let me see. Oh, sauce time. We are about to sauce it up.
Sauce.
Oh. The amount of girls I'm supposed to ask you your number now, you know, 'cause the girls them love a man that can cook. I am telling you, chef. Jeez. This is a beautiful plate. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. So a part of the video might have been seeing the chef doing some cutting on the tomatoes to make that rose, and now we have a nice orange. Other persons might not know, everything that's on the plate, garnishing, should be edible. You understand? So everything that you see on the plate can be eaten. Wow, that looks delicious, man.
That's the done in orange sauce.
Woo! So chef, this is mine?
Of course.
Oh my gosh, I love this job. Guys, so now I'm so fortunate to have caught the sun with this beautiful dish. The sun came out and it's very beautiful here. I can imagine when the sea is calm and the sun is just out, how beautiful it is here at Charela at the 7 Mile beach stretch. Anyway, let's dig in and I'll tell you exactly what I think about this dish. Alright guys, let's cut into this. Wow. sauce is very rich.
What'd you get?
I got the duck and orange sauce.
Duck and orange sauce?
Yeah,
Lovely.
it's really good.
Very good food here, Charela.
It's very good, right? I'm telling you.
Chef.
Yeah, it's very good.
Fine chef, yeah.
What's your favorite dish here?
Good question. Tonight I'm getting snapper.
Tonight you're getting snapper?
Yeah.
That's the one in coconut sauce?
I'm not sure, but I'm getting it to go.
Oh, getting it to go. All right. Wow. It's one of the guests.
Honestly, my mother's been here a lot. She
Yep.
told me it's good, and I'm regardless of. She's getting rasta pasta.
Oh, your mom's getting rasta pasta?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, rasta pasta is a very popular dish.
So she'll be happy. And I get the fish. So I put it lots of it in there.
Yeah.
They were just over here once over. They had lots of them last night.
Oh, they have it?
I'm here.
Okay.
I'll let you eat. I don't mean to interrupt you.
All right, no problem. That orange marmalade is giving it all that orange flavor. But I like, you know when you just put something sweet in your mouth and like all the taste buds become activated, that your face is just like, wow, what just happened? That exactly happened with this. And I can definitely see why this dish is popular here. If you've ever had duck before, you've never had it before, drop it in the comments. I've had duck maybe 4 or 5 times in my life. Most persons will complain that duck is fatty, but you guys saw. Perfectly rendered. So you're getting what you're really getting now is a lean meat. Very flavorful. Since I've been here, guys, I've never been hungry. Every day my stomach is full. Because with every dish, you just have to finish it. It's that good. Wow, this sauce is just so rich. I don't know. I don't think this camera is able to pick up sound so well, but I was talking to a guest just now, and it's almost like everybody that I've spoken to has had some form of ancestral connection with this place. It's either their mom's mom or their girlfriend or whatever the case is that has recommended this restaurant, and they come here trying the food here and they keep coming back. It's ridiculous, man. As I've mentioned in a couple of videos back, if you have been watching this hotel tour series, yeah, if there's a dish that you may not be so particular of, the quality of the dish is always on a high standard. Maybe you just don't like a particular thing, but let me tell you, man, they use rich ingredients. If you don't know, they have their local farm. They have their own personal farm. Let me finish. Guys, you guys can see for yourself, a mere carcass is what got left behind. As we always say, that's a crime scene, bro. Yo, let me just say this, man. It speaks for itself. I don't even go into any detail about the food here. The food is good. I can only show you and tell you what I think about it. If you guys want to try the food for yourselves, make sure whenever you're on the Nigel stretch, stop by Charela Inn. You won't ever regret it. If you guys want to see me go back in the kitchen and work on some coconut fish, see how it's done, drop it in the comments and just say so excited. I'll definitely try my best to work on that for you guys. If you appreciate videos like these and you want to see me do more features like these, drop a like on the video and I'll definitely try my best. Remember these three things, guys: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.